Hey everyone, I'm Anita and welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date for all the Kami Home updates. Now today I'm going to be unboxing the Fall Detect camera by KamiCare. So Fall Detect is a new product that allows you to monitor the safety of a loved senior in your life. Fall Detect can help your loved one stay at home longer and maintain their independence while feeling safe. Now, Fall Detect allows you to receive alerts in real time if your loved one falls. Now, this is a great way to help seniors enjoy independence and provide a way for you to rest easy knowing that your loved one is safe. So, Fall Detect provides 24/7 fall detection, real-time alerts, two-way communication, unlimited user sharing, and soon emergency response. Now, the way Fall Detect works is the AI sensor inside the camera will recognize a fall and send an accurate alert in real time to your phone. This device is better than a fall detection wearable device because those are often forgot to be worn, they're forgot to be charged, and they don't provide information about the root cause of a fall. So when you receive the alert on your phone, you can review the footage in the app and communicate with your loved one directly. You can also access a live view of the room to see if your loved one is okay. Now, if a serious fall did occur, the app lets you send for immediate help, and a quick and rapid response like this can help eliminate serious injury and really make a huge difference in your loved one's life and put your mind at ease. So today, let's go over what's in the box of the new Fall Detect by KamiCare.
The first thing I see when I open the box is the Kami Detect camera. It has a cute design with a pleasing bluish-green color and a round camera sensor on top. Next, we have the micro USB charging cable and the power adapter, as well as a packet of screws and anchors. You'll also find the camera mount and what looks like a reset pin, which I have to say these come in handy, as well as what looks like 8 cable covers that you can use when installing your Fall Detect. This is what you can expect to find in the Kami Fall Detect camera box.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what was in the box of the new Fall Detect by KamiCare. Make sure you like and subscribe and check out our other videos on Fall Detect to learn how to install the Fall Detect, as well as our other videos on other Kami Home products. See you next time.